Oh, wow. Okay.
Wow, Antonio. Don
Okay, got my
Antonio.
office here. Oh, I got
Wow,
the
the office there.
Just to recap, on our previous video, we focused on organizing our client's closet. Today, we'll be showing you how we transform the whole place. But before we go there, here's a reminder of our agenda. We're tasked to spend only $500 to refresh a cluttered and cramped bedroom into a spacious one.
Let me show you again how the room looks like. Just what Rian mentioned, this room is owned by a very busy entrepreneur. As he is focused on his ventures, his room becomes a place of clutter and disorganization. Keep in mind there is nothing wrong with a messy room as his reason is valid. Here's Rian and he's going to show you what a budget of $500 can do.
I'm gonna show you what that $500 can buy. First, we bought a couple set of paints and primer, and in the back I'll show you all of it. So we got a new desk, a whiteboard, a table, a bunch of IKEA stuff there, and a lot more. Can you guess what color this desk will be? Find out how it looks like on the reveal.
This room has different types of finishes for all the furniture. What that means is that it's not cohesive at all. The space does not make sense. So what we're going to do is paint some of the furniture, but we are going to make sure that we are still going to save some money because primer and paint are not cheap. But we are going to make sure that the rest of the furniture will still look cohesive with new furniture that we're going to bring in, while making sure that the rest of them still match. So stay tuned.
It is a common occurrence that when we take out the big furnitures, just like the example that was here a while ago, you can see how bigger the space is. And this is the importance of putting the right sized furniture of whatever the size of the bedroom. So if you have a big bedroom, you can put big furniture. So if you have a small bedroom, then we advise that you use small furniture. So we're gonna take out some of the other stuff here. Some of the furniture, the new furnitures that we have are drying downstairs. We're gonna put some Art Deco magic in this desk right here and also this bed. And slowly, we're gonna transform this area. The gentleman that uses this room is a workhorse. He uses a lot of phone calls and also his laptop and PC to do his work. So we're gonna make this space more peaceful for him when he works. So without further ado, we're gonna start working on this room. So let's do it.
One of my design goals in this space is to section the bed area and the office area without using wall or any area rug. It will create a visual separation between the two areas in one room. What Rian and I are doing is lining up where my design element will be. So this dresser was just all dark, almost dark brown, almost black. What we did was we custom painted the edges to make sure that it will be cohesive all throughout the space.
Before, there was this big desk that was here before, and that houses those bins and also the books. Why didn't you put any bookshelf in the space? Like, or any hanging bookshelf around the room?
The reason for that is because we do not want to make the space look very claustrophobic, and at the same time, the client is minimalistic. He doesn't want too much in the space, although he has too much stuff. We want to make sure that it's just simple and clean, but at the same time, elegant and beautiful.
Okay.
So here is the dresser. On top, we folded it this way, that way you can easily find it.
So as an example, if I'm gonna be taking it, pull this, and then done. Ta-da!
We put it back.
Putting it back, how simple is it?
Very simple.
There we go.
There you go.
So, do you suggest to everyone watching this to fold their clothes this way if they have a dresser such as this? Why is that?
That way you can easily find what you're looking for. That way you don't have to dig as well. Because you don't want to ruin all the folded clothes that you already have cleaned up.
Right. I've done that before.
So here's the rest. Here are the long sleeves. And we left this one empty to make sure he can accommodate more items.
So you're saying is, back when we started here, this was filled with clothes.
The whole stuff was not filled, but there's just like random stuff. It's not totally full. The stuff was not accommodated to its maximum capacity.
Okay.
Yeah, so I left a space in there, but look, I put the bottom one, the shorts, in here, and so is pajamas. So I put it the way that you would wear your clothes. So the one on top are your tops, and so the bottoms are the bottoms.
And why did you leave majority of this space empty?
Because we wanted to make sure that when you enter the space, you don't feel claustrophobic. Because right away when you open the door, you will see the table, and so is the bed. When you look around, you still wanted to be able to see that you are not inside a tiny room. You still wanted that illusion of big open space. We had stripes and whites all throughout the room. Stripes from the bedside tables to the headboards to the office table and the dresser. Though the space isn't big, we made sure to separate the room into two. We had the wall art divide the office from the bed without using an area rug or a divider. Here is the overall view from the other side. We chose off-white color for the beddings to continue the brightness from the office toward the sleeping space. Check out this off-white desk. Special thanks to Rianne for giving it a fresh look. I cannot imagine having the brown one in this space.
Thank you so much for watching. We hope that we provided value to you. Do you know anyone that could need some help in organization? We can help. Just give us a call at 780-707-4834 and our team will gladly answer all your questions.